if you are a YouTuber or an independent filmmaker or a video editor, I'm sure you must agree with me that one thing that takes most of our time is video editing. So, if you want to be more productive and efficient, then you must find out the ways to speed up your editing process. And if you are using the Premiere Pro for video editing, then probably you are one of those 99% people who don't know this and do it wrong every time while editing videos, thereby wasting a lot of time without even realizing this. So let's find out what's that. And before we go any further, if you could do me a little favor, just like this video and leave something in the comments. That way you can help others to discover this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So when people want to remove a part of a clip, what they normally do, they first come over here, select the eraser tool, make an edit, then select the selection tool and then click on these and delete, and then they drag these and snap it to remove the empty space, or select this empty space and press delete, and that way they remove this part. So is there anything wrong with this one? Absolutely no, but it involves lots of steps. So what if you could reduce all of these steps and perform just few steps? Wouldn't that be great? Yes, let me show you how. Alright, so this time instead of selecting the razor tool, just press B on your keyboard and that would select the ripple edit tool. So rather than selecting from here, make sure you remember the keyboard shortcuts. And now just move your mouse on the edit if you already have an edit. Otherwise you can press Ctrl K, Command K on your keyboard, and that's going to cut the clip which is currently being selected. And if you have multiple layers like this, then you can press Ctrl Shift K or Command Shift K, and that's going to make a cut in all of these layers. But since I already have a cut over here, what I would do, I will just click and drag it over here. At this moment it's not working, reason being that we have to select all of these layers. So we can select all these layers and use the ripple edit tool and drag it over here, and boom. So now we don't need to remove the empty space and we don't need to select different tools again and again. So all you have to do, remember the keyboard shortcuts and you are good to go. Now, what if you take it to the next level? And for that purpose, as you can see that for pressing the Ctrl K, Command K, you have to use both of your hands. So what if we could use just one key to make an edit? And yes, that's possible. You can customize your own keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Just go to the edit and select keyboard shortcuts, or the shortcut keyboard for that is Ctrl Alt K, and come inside it and search for add edit. So after search you will find Ctrl K written right over here. So that's the shortcut or default key right in the Premiere Pro. But what you can do, just click on this and click on this X to delete it, and now press X because I preferred it this way because most of times my hand is very close to X. Alright, so you can just select the X and it might show you some warning that it is already assigned to some other task, but just ignore it because mostly we don't use X. Otherwise you can choose any other keyboard shortcuts, and thereafter you can just simply press OK and boom. And now you can simply press X on your keyboard and it's going to make a cut, and now you can just do whatever you want. And now can we take it even further? Now let's do it even more faster way. So for that purpose, instead of this time making an edit and selecting the ripple edit tool, just forget everything. Just move your playhead from where you want to make a cut or remove the unwanted part in a clip. So just move your playhead over here and make an edit. So if you don't already have a edit point right over here, just make one. So suppose I want to remove this part only, from this to this. I will just come over here, make an edit point by pressing X and come over here, and then I would press Q on my keyboard, and that's going to remove that part. You can see that's going to remove all the parts from the edit point, alright, in the backward direction. And similarly you can do this from the front direction. So if all of these layers you want to remove, and there is an edit point right over here, so what you can do, you can simply press W on your keyboard, and that's going to remove or delete all that part from that edit point. So you have to be careful. So if you press W, it's going to delete all the parts from the next edit, and if you come over here, if you press Q, it's going to delete all the parts from the previous edit point. Alright, this is how you can be rocket fast in Premiere Pro and save a lot of time. And if you want to learn more of these cool tricks, then make sure you check out this playlist, which is right now on your screen, or the link is in the description section below. Using these tricks, you can save a lot more time while editing. And don't forget to check out my website harshvardhanart.com for some free and paid presets like transitions, LUT presets pack, motion graphics pack, title presets pack, and much more. The link is in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.